My name is Jacqueline Nicholson, and I am here to demonstrate to you the bones of the hand. I have removed the hand from the skeleton because it was very difficult for me to demonstrate the last part of the body. So I'm going to put it on the table where it's easy for you to see because my fingers will distort the image. Okay, so we're going to put them down here on the table, and I'm going to point to each area. Okay, so this is the hand, which is the carpus, and it's the wrist, and the carpal is the wrist, and it's got 8 marble-sized bones, which are here, and it's arranged in 2 irregular rows, 1 and 2. The distal row is the medial to the lateral, and right here is the right here, this bone here in the middle lines up with the middle finger. It's the capitate. If you can see it, it's the capitate right here, this one. Then we have the hamate, which is the bone under, the first bone that's under the pinky finger. Then we have the pisiform, or the pisiform, which is the second first bone under the pinky, which is right about there. Then we have the triquetrum, which is the second bone under the pisiform, here near the pisiform, which is right there in the middle. Okay, and so the proximal row is the medial to the lateral, and I just described those to you. Okay, and the metacarpals, which is the palm of the hand, which is this one, is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bones. And those 5 bones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it forms the knuckles. It's the knuckles. Okay? Then, and there, starting from the thumb is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Then the phalanges, which are the fingers, there are 3 phalanges except for the thumb. Okay, and this is how they are. The proximal, the distal, the proximal, the medial, and the distal. Okay, the thumb only have the proximal and the distal, whereas the other 4 fingers have the distal, the medial, and the proximal. Okay, there is 3 bones for these 4 fingers, and there are 2 for the thumb. The thumb doesn't have a medial bone. Okay, so the phalanges, 4 fingers, have 3 bones: the proximal, the medial, and the distal. Whereas the thumb only has 2 bones, which is the proximal and the distal. Okay, and the radius bone, it forms the wrist over here, which is the joint. The wrist joint is the forearm. Okay, and the metacarpal joint at the pollex over here. Okay, it's right here in this area here. Okay, and it's the carpal trapezium and the metacarpal articulation. It's in this area here by the thumb. Okay, and that is my demonstration of the phalanges and the metacarpals, the bones in the hand. This is the back of the hand and this is the front of the hand. Okay? Thank you.